As every professional will know, a good job well done is all about the preparation first. And it's the same with Everedge. What you must do is always prepare the ground first before you lay the Everedge. And what I've done here is I've laid this plumb line to give me that straight line I need to install the Everedge against. I've then cleared the path, and with a spade I've cleared the area which has excess turf. So now we're ready to install the Everedge. I've already laid two pieces here, so I'm now going to show you how you connect one piece of Everedge to the next. It's always good to have a screwdriver with you in case you run into any of these things. They'll bend the teeth and it'll be a nightmare to get it sorted out afterwards. So have a screwdriver ready, so if you find any rocks you can prise them out of the way with a screwdriver. So what we do now, we get our Everedge and you line it up with the next piece here, the male going into the female, always that way round and not the other. And then with your mallet you just quietly knock it in to the next piece like this. Do not push the tongue in yet, that's the last job you do. And then with your mallet you just tap in the rest of the Everedge. Keep your foot on the overlap. Ready for the next piece. I've now installed all my Everedge. You can see now I've got a nice clean straight edge. The gravel's been pushed back, but the last thing we must do is with the screwdriver, that lower tongue, just tap it in to about 45 degrees and that locks it all together good and strong. One of the joys of Everedge is it's extremely flexible, and as you can see, it's very easy to bend to make the sort of shape you need to in your garden. What I'm going to show you now is how we bend it to a right angle. I'm actually using two different pieces here. I've got the 3-inch Everedge and the 4-inch, and I'll be bending the 4-inch. You make your mark where you want to bend it. You either use a piece of timber or, in this case, another piece of Everedge. You then place the Everedge on where you want to bend it, put your feet either side, and then, very carefully, pull it to the angle you require. And as you can see, that gives you a very clean right angle. Just remember to bend it in the right direction, to the angle you want. In every pack of Everedge, you will also find straightforward, helpful instructions to guide you through the installation of Everedge. And as you can see, by installing Everedge, you will achieve neat and tidy edging throughout your garden.